Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing our third lesson and that is multiples and factors. Dear students, in previous videos you learned how to find the HCF by division method and also by a prime factorization method. In today's class we are going to discuss about the application of HCF, where we are using the HCF in day-to-day life. See here, by solving the examples we come to know where we are using the HCF, means highest common factor. So let us take one example from your My Practice Time 6. Okay, here the first question is there are 32 rasgullas and 48 burpees. Okay, there are 32 rasgullas and 48 burpees in two boxes. What is the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burpees can be packed together such that equal number of both are there in each boxes? So here, if you once you know, means how to find the HCF, then you come to know how many maximum number of rasgullas and burpees we will pack in one bag. So maximum number of boxes we want. Okay, so let us find here what the HCF of the number. Yes, here number of rasgullas. How many are there rasgullas? Number of rasgullas. Okay, and they are 32. Number of burpees. How many burpees are there? See here, burpees, and they are 48. Number of rasgullas 32 and number of burpees are 48. So let us find the HCF. Means they are asking here the maximum number of rasgullas and burpees can be packed together such that equal number of both are there in each boxes. So to make equal, how many maximum boxes we need, that we need to check. So solve here to find here the HCF of 38 and 48. Dear students, here you can use prime factorization method or you can use division method. I will use here division method. Okay, so see 32 and 48 are there, so both are there in 4 ones are table. Okay, so here 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, means 4 12s are 48. Next 8 and 12 again are there in 4 ones are table. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Again just see here 2 and 3 are there in same table. No, you have to stop it here only. So just find here 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay, 4 4s are 16. See here, when we are going to find the LCM of the number, you have to divide the number until you will not get a 1. Okay, but in case HCF is there, means you need to find you need to divide until both the numbers are not there in same table. Okay, so here just you have to take these two numbers. Here 4 4s are 16. Then tell me how many number of rasgullas and burpees can be packed together such that equal number of both are there in each boxes. So both are there in each boxes, they are 16. Okay, how many are there? 16 boxes. Here you have to write 16 boxes. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so here you have to find the HCF of the number, then you come to know how many boxes we need. We need here 16 boxes. Okay, so let us solve one more example from your My Practice Time 2. Okay, and that is, see here, find the greatest possible length of a wire which can be used to measure exactly 56 meter, 42 meter and 70 meter. So write here second one, the length of the wire, the length of the wire, length of the wires, and that is, okay, wires, that is 56 meter, 42 meter. Next one more is 70 meter. Okay, 70 meter. So what is the question here? Find the greatest possible length of the wire which can be used to measure exactly 56 meter, 42 meter, 70 meter. Here you have to find the HCF of the number. So find here 56 meter, Next here 42 meter. I will write only here 56, 42 and 70. So let us check all the numbers are there in which table. Yes, they all are there in 7 ones table. Okay, dear students, to solve these examples you need to know tables compulsorily. Okay, so take here 7, how much are 56? 7 6 7 8 56. 7 8 56, 7 6 42, 7 10 70. Yes, 7 8 56, 7 6 42, 7 10 70. Okay, next here 8 6 10 are there in which table? Yes, they all are there in 2 ones table. So take here 2 4 8, 2 3 6, 2 5 10. So how much you have to write? 2 how much 8? 2 4 8. 2 how much 6? 2 3 6. 2 how much 10? 2 5 10. So next you check 4 3 5 are there in same table? No, they all are not there in same table. So what we need to do? You have to stop it here only. Take these digits. So 7 into 2. 7 2 14. So the maximum length of the wire to measure this meters, that is 14 meter. How much? That is 14 meter. I hope you are getting my point. Find the greatest possible length of the wire, and the greatest possible length of the wire is 14 meter, which can be used to measure exactly 56 meter, 42 meter and 70 meter. I hope you understood this. Okay, next move to next example, and there are, that is, see here the third question is there. Okay, so what is the third question? Just see here. There are 4 drums. There are 4 drums containing 54 liter. Yes, dear students, I am solving these examples from your page number 109 and my practice time 6. There are 4 drums containing 54 liter, 72 liter, 84 liter, 16 liter of oil. Find the capacity of the largest can that can be measure oil in the 4 drums by the exact number of times. See here, to measure this all the liters, we need one correct capacity of a drum, that we have to check here. So here there are 4 drums. How many drums are there? 4 drums are there, and they contain 54 liter, 72 liter, 84 liter and 66 liter of oil. Find the capacity of the largest can that can be measure oil in 4 drums by the exact number of times. So let us find here the HCF of the number, then you come to know the largest can that can be measure oil in the 4 drums by the exact number of times. So here we have to find the capacity of 4 drums. Capacity of 4 drums. Okay, this is I am solving third one. Capacity of 4 drums, and that is, yes, that is 54 liter. 54 liter, and next one is 72 liter, 72 liter, and next one is 84 liter, 84 liter, and one more is, that is 66 liter. 54 liter, 72 liter, 84 liter, 66 liter. Okay, next here we need to find here HCF 54, 72, 84 and 66. Dear students, in ones place, just you see the ones place of the number 4, 2, 4, 6 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So take here 2, 2 2s are 4, and here 1 remain, 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Again you take here 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and here 1 remain, 2 6s are 18. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 3s are 2 3s are. Okay, here 27, 36, 42 and 33 is there. Okay, next we will see the numbers. Yes, next here these all numbers are there in 3 ones are table. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, and again here 3 1s are 3, 1 remain, 3 4s are 12. Next here 3 1s are 3 1s are. See here, if you are not getting, divide the numbers separately. 42 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, again you take this 2 down, 3 4s are 12, okay, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 14 I wrote here. How I wrote you understood? If you are not getting how to divide directly, you do this type separately and you can write the answer, okay. So here see. So here 9, 12, 14, 11 are not there in same table, means up to you have to stop it. So here you have to take only this numbers, multiply here, 2 into 3 is 6, okay. So the maximum capacity here, exact number of times we can measure it as a 6 liter, okay. See here there are 4 drums containing 54 liter, 72 liter, 84 liter and 66 liter. Find the capacity of the largest can that can be measure oil in the 4 drums by the exact number of times. We are using here we are getting answer 6 liter, okay. So here see here how you come to know. See here you have to solve so many times. Here you need more practice, okay. Each example you have to solve 3 to 4 times, then only you are going to understand this example. Dear students, see here on application of HCF you have total 5 examples here. Among them I have solved here 3. So next year one more question is there. There are 18, 15, 21 chocolates in 3 packets. Sham wants to distribute equally among some children. So you have to find the HCF. There also you find the HCF and you come to know how much the Sham is going to distribute the chocolates, okay. So next 5th one, you want to plant 48 tomato plants, 54 coconut plants and 66 mango plants. Here also you are going to find the HCF, then you come to know the answer, okay. In that question also you have to follow the same procedure, but questions are different, okay. So here I have solved 3 examples. To you do as a homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.